morning, everybody. It is currently 9:53. Sorry for vlogging late. We woke up around 7:30. Graham went to work early, so he'll be home with work early. I've been kind of just picking up a bunch of stuff here and there. Like, my friend was here, she helped me clean up this place, and then with the kids and just everything that happened this weekend, we didn't want to do anything. It just became a mess again, so I'm gonna pick up. First I'm gonna go take a shower. I just put Charlotte down for a nap about 20 minutes ago. So I'm gonna take a shower real quick just because I feel refreshed when I take a shower. But yeah, today we're not going anywhere. I need to get some milk, but Graham's gonna get milk when he gets home.
See, Mommy, this is number block.
Yeah, I know what you're talking about. Benny Pooh's been drawing number blocks, so that's awesome. He's just been writing numbers and the letter numbers and everything. So today I'm not going anywhere. My jewels are on its way out for delivery right now. Usually we get our mail around 11. And I'm gonna start working on a personalized jewel cup, and then I'm also gonna work on a acrylic jewel cup. I don't know, honey. Is it over by the rocking chair? So that's what I'm gonna work on today. So I got 2 cups that I want to work on. I'll probably work on a 3rd one. I'm gonna just kind of do a bunch of them at the same time. I'm gonna use different glues and see how it goes. But right now we're watching Madagascar 2. We watched the first one this morning. Now we're watching the second one. I want to get all those movies. We only have the first one, but this is on Netflix right now that we're watching the second one. So that's what's going on. I have the dishwasher running right now. It's like drying, and then when that's done I'm gonna open it up so all the condensation can get out. I'm thinking of taking you guys outside today with those stupid birds. A swallow, if you guys don't know what a swallow is, it's a pretty bird. It's like a blue bird. They're really pretty, but they are evil. Usually when people see them build a nest, they actually... Yeah, wasp bird too. But usually when people see swallows making a nest, they take them away because those birds attack. And like, I don't know if I've ever, I mean, I've had it where it's like been inches above my head. When I was a kid at my parents' house, we used to take my cat and put her up in the air, and they'd like swoop at her. They'd never touch. I don't think they touch. I think they'd probably attack you if you got close. So I'm thinking of going in the backyard today, possibly bringing my umbrella because I do not want them touching me. It's just scary. And we'll see how it goes. But it's supposed to get like up to 100 degrees this week, you guys. Like on Wednesday they said it's going to be 100 degrees. Plus with the humidity, which is so bad. So there's no point of even me doing my hair because the humidity is just bad. So I think today I'm just going to put my hair in a ponytail. I always... one of you guys, I think Gina actually recommended me sleeping with a satin pillow for, you know, my hair, because my hair gets all over the place. So I bought some satin pillows. So I'm going to start sleeping with that and see if that maybe helps my hair a little bit. So I got that coming in the mail. Like, I think I'm gonna get it Tuesday or Wednesday. I'll go get you some paper. So then, you know, every single time, I forgot what I was gonna say. So every time I order from Amazon, if you guys are not in a hurry to order stuff from Amazon, I always do the no rush order, because I used to get $1. They used to have it be, I think like $2 or $3. I don't remember, but you could get like $1 or so if you did the no rush order. But sorry, I just gotta get Ben some paper out of the basement. So I do the no rush order, and then I actually buy like digital movies, or you can buy digital songs, CDs, songs, all that crap. So that's what I like to do when I buy stuff from Amazon. So looking forward to that. But I want to get more videos done, you guys. Like I've been truly slacking. I do want to start going to Walmart. I'm gonna start trying to go there on Thursdays again. Oh, I'm out of breath. Here. I'm gonna try to go there on Thursdays again, baby. But the virus is getting worse in this area, you guys. Like, it's just getting worse. So I'd rather just stay at home. But this fall I'm definitely gonna work on more cooking videos and getting more stuff prepped. So there's that. I just want to get more to my channel because I don't know how long I'll be doing vlogs, you guys. Like, I love doing the vlogs. A lot of you guys really enjoy doing the vlogs. It gives me some sanity. But there are times where it's like, I just don't want to vlog, and it just wears me out. What? 101. Good job.
That like 100?
101, like 101 Dalmatians. Yeah. So that's what's going on today, you guys. But I'm just gonna get some stuff done. I was thinking of selling some stuff on Mercari. A lot of you guys talk about that. I don't know. I have tons of purses that I no longer use anymore, and I don't want to like sell them on Facebook. I could try selling them on Facebook, but I feel like I'd have a better chance of selling them either through Poshmark or Mercari. But I like Mercari because they charge you after you sell the item, not to post the item. I know with like eBay you gotta pay before you sell, and Etsy you gotta pay before you sell. So it's like I just want to start selling some old Guess purses that I have. Good job, little man. Yeah.
0, 1, 1, 1.
He has his underwear on.
1.
Good job.
And I can't do.
Why don't you pull your
These
pants
are
up?
number blocks.
Number blocks. Pull your pants
Yeah,
up.
that's like a video on YouTube.
Yeah. Okay. So I've already been talking for 6 minutes, you guys. I'm sorry, but I'm gonna go get dressed, and then I'm just gonna start picking up like crazy. I also have to rearrange my movies. Charlotte's been taking my movies off the shelf like crazy, so I might not do it today, but that is a goal for this week. Is
and
to.
Like one time ago, I used to tape a lot of pictures and I colored them and they're on the wall, and Mom take them down and I'm just doing work.
But I think I'm gonna just rearrange my movies again because they're like all over the place, and I just need to reset all my stuff because we're gonna soon take down this changing table because Charlotte doesn't like getting her diaper changed on this table. So I might have to get some plastic.
Don't sell me at Timbuktu.
I'm not gonna sell you to Timbuktu. I might get some plastic because she keeps grabbing all the movies off the shelf. I might get some plastic and like just kind of put it on there. I think I might do that. I don't know.
Plastic on it.
Okay, I'll get you guys back. So it's like 12:22.
Ben's drawing number.
Ben's been drawing like crazy. I actually worked on a shirt. Somebody wanted me to make some shirts, so I finished that. So I gotta let them cool off. But you guys, right now we're watching Ghostbusters. Okay, Ben loves Ghostbusters, but he's afraid of monsters. No idea why. But you guys, I made myself a Ghostbusters shirt. Loving it, loving it, loving it. I want to make a Daria shirt. If you guys know who Daria is, you know who I'm talking about. But I need to get more like vinyl for the t-shirts, but I'm kind of a cheap butt and I want to wait till there's like a sale. So I will probably doing that soon. But yeah, right now I just got, Ben, get off of me. Sorry you guys, he like jumped on my foot really hard. But yeah, I was cleaning and then I'm like, I want to work on that shirt. I want to work on that shirt because I started doing it 2 days ago. I started cutting everything out, and then yesterday I never got a chance to do it. But yeah, I want to get some vinyl ordered. I want to get like a big roll of white and black vinyl for sure, but I also want to get colored stuff too. But I'm definitely gonna make a Daria one just like that, and then I'm trying to figure out other stuff to make too. But Ben wants a Ghostbusters shirt too, and then there's a big giant spider in our window, and I'm like, Ben, do not open it because I don't want it coming in the screen, so, or coming into the house because it's actually inside our screen. So that's what's going on.
You know, all the time I see small spiders all the time over there in the corner.
Yeah, so I'm gonna call my mother right now, and then I'm gonna pick up while I'm on the phone with her, and then we're gonna have some lunch in a couple minutes. Hey you guys, so I don't even know what time it is. It might be like almost 3 o'clock? 2:38. I just got done eating lunch maybe about 45 minutes ago. And then I was watching the new series on Netflix called The Babysitter's Club. Now, if you guys are kind of my age, you guys will know exactly The Babysitter's Club. It was a big book series in the 90s. Pretty much the early 90s, I want to say, mid-90s. I used to really like The Little Sister, so about Karen. I used to love those books. I just loved them. So I'm watching the new series on Netflix. So far, I think I've watched I'm on the second episode. It seems pretty good. I like it. I really like it. You know, it's got Alicia Silverstone in there. There's quite a known people in there. But I just got done vacuuming and picking up the floor, so we will see how long we got it. I just got my jewel order, which I just did like a little unboxing for everybody to show you what beads I got, or glass jewels I got. So I'm gonna be posting that video soon. But yeah, I'm just getting some stuff done. I'm excited for my shirt, and then I think I'm just gonna sit and relax for.
I have a great idea. Mom gonna make me a Thomas shirt.
Well, I have to get the vinyl to make you a Thomas shirt, but I will make you a Thomas shirt. He wants me to make all these shirts for him, which I'm totally for making him shirts. I just gotta get the vinyl for it, but I don't like to buy that stuff in the stores because it's kind of expensive. But I'm gonna do a video sometime soon sharing with you guys like where I get all my supplies, like my vinyl and all that stuff. I've been slowly like making lists on where I've been getting that stuff from, so that's what I'm working on. Don't use your teeth. Can you just give me, I don't have one hand, so I can't open it right now, okay? So that's how my day is going. My kids are going crazy. It is hot outside. Miss Charlotte's picking up everything right now, so thank you, Miss Darlette. Thank you for your help, my little princess. Oh, so she's got food on her nose. So that's how my day was going, and I'm just gonna sit back and relax for at least like 30 minutes. You gonna turn the TV on? Okay, thank you. Thank you. Okay, see you guys. Hey guys, so it is now 3:50. Charlotte's probably been sleeping for about 30 minutes to an hour. I just made the intros to 3 different videos, you guys. And I also filmed another video, and I am just like, I am beat. I'm like super thirsty, which is a good thing because I'm drinking water, which is a good thing. I've been really cutting back on drinking pop, you guys, or soda.
Can I go for 5 pictures of this numbers? I'm trying the second one.
Okay. Yeah, I haven't hardly been drinking any soda. When we went on the river, I did drink some stuff. Like I had some soda, but otherwise I've been just drinking water, like hardcore water. I'll have like a juice, like a Kool-Aid or something here and there, but I've been really sticking to it. For Graham and I's diet, we haven't been like doing hardcore, but I think I'm gonna grab a hula hoop and just hula hoop for a little bit. You know, I think it might help me a little bit. Graham doesn't like it when I hula hoop, but you know what? It makes me feel better. I think I'm just gonna go get it. I gotta figure out if it's in the storage room where I put it, but I feel like it does help. It really hurts for a while, and then after a while it just gets so much better, and I think I'm gonna go do it. I'm gonna do it real quick. I was gonna go do some cups, but I just did a bunch of intros and now my hands hurt, and then I'm gonna start working on those.
I'm watching 2, 1, 11.
Ben's really into writing numbers. Good job, little man. Good job.
And 14.
Yeah, so Graham will be home in about an hour.
See? I'm looking at pictures.
Yeah, that's a good job.
YouTube.
Oh, okay. He wants me to get some. He wants to put it on.
Yeah, but I used to color a lot of pictures to tip them. Now it's numbers.
Yeah, you did a good job, little man. Good job. He's gonna make another art exhibit on our stairs. So, yeah, I'm gonna edit a video real quick and get it posted.
We're gonna go to the pool later today with my dad. I found a library.
Actually, we can go to the pool because I think those birds are gone. We went and checked the swallows, you guys, and the birds are no longer in the nest. I really wanted to piss her off and go take an umbrella, but we will see if she's still flying around. But the birds are gone. So that is nice. So yeah, I'm going to edit a video real quick, get the hula hoop, and hula hoop for like 10, 15, 20 minutes. I used to hula hoop every day for 25 minutes. I did it for like a whole episode of Full House, you guys. Like, it hurt, but it did some good stuff. So I think that's what I'm going to do right now. I'm going to get the hula hoop and start editing a video. I'll catch you guys back in a bit, but my living room's clean and I love it. This looks like it's a mess, but all it is a bag full of blankets, and then the trampoline thing keeps popping off, and I'm thinking I should either glue it or something, but I'm sick of that thing popping off all the time. So catch you guys back in a bit. Hey you guys, so it is currently 7:02. I am tired as all heck. The kids and Graham went and played in the pool for a little bit. Graham got home. He's like, yeah, you did nothing for the day. Like, he's like, you did nothing. And I'm like, Graham, I cleaned up the floor. I cleaned up the floor. I had everything picked up, and now it's a mess again. Like, he says I don't do anything during the day. Nothing. Oh, you don't do anything. Why don't you do something while I'm at work for 8 hours? I'm like, I don't even want to complain about this because I'll probably get crap and it's not from him. But it's just like, I clean and I pick up every single day. I empty the dishwasher. I clean up the kitchen every single day. I feed the kids multiple times a day. I play with the kids. I read 7 books to the kids earlier today. 7. So it's like, he says there and I don't do anything. And I'm like, I just can't win this argument, you guys. Like, it just makes me mad. He says I don't do anything. It just, I just hate it. It just,
cry.
I'm not crying.
I see a turd butt.
But I just don't know what to do, you guys. Like, I'm just, he says I don't do anything all day. You don't do anything. I'm sorry, but when, like, Charlotte's taking a nap, I usually get something to eat, or I work on a video. You know, he complains that he wants me to do more videos, so I'm doing more videos. I'm in the middle of actually doing, like, 5 videos right now, but it's just, I hate when he says that. I don't do anything all day long, and it's like, I clean up constantly. He gets home, his shoes are right here. He has his pants, I'm sitting on his pants, his shirt's over there. And it's like, don't sit there and tell me I don't do anything. It's like, he gets home and just throws everything everywhere. It's like, I'm not his maid. But I am going to end the vlog today because I don't want it to be too long. But tomorrow...
Yeah, there was a bee nest.
Yeah, there was a bee nest right by the swallow nest.
And the wasp was gone.
Yeah, there's a wasp nest right next to the swallow nest. So Graham took some water, so the wasps are now flying around trying to find its nest. But
where did it go?
I don't know. But I'm going to get something to eat because I haven't eaten anything yet, and just relax for the day because I don't do anything. So why should I do any more than I have to? So I will see you guys all bright and early tomorrow. I'm not doing anything tomorrow either. So I'll see you guys all later. Bye bye.